In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the text tool in Canva to create visually interesting designs. This process is straightforward, but by paying attention to a few key details, you can elevate your text designs to the next level. So let's get started right away. First, you'll want to open your Canva document. Canva is a versatile tool, and having your document ready is the starting point to all the creative possibilities it offers. If you've never used Canva before, you'll be impressed by its user-friendly interface and the wealth of templates and options it provides. Once you have your document open and ready, our focus will be on inserting text. Now, to insert text, look over to the left corner of your screen. You'll see a variety of elements you can add to your design, and our interest lies in finding the text option. Go ahead and click on text. Once you've clicked it, you will be given the option to choose between different text styles or simply add a text box. Choose the option that best fits your design needs. You can then click anywhere within your document to establish where you'd like your text to appear. Once your text box is set up, you can type in anything you want. This is your chance to be creative. You can enter a quote, a title, or any message that complements your design. Canva gives you the flexibility to experiment with different fonts and sizes, so don't hesitate to try out different looks until you find one that works best for you. Remember, the right text can transform your design from simple to striking. After you've entered your text, let's move on to enhancing it further by adjusting its transparency. To do this, with your text selected, find the transparency tool. This might be a small adjustment slider or a percentage that you can modify. By adjusting the transparency, you allow your text to blend more with the background of your design or make it stand out subtly. A little transparency can add depth and interest, making sure the text complements rather than overwhelms your design elements. And just like that, we're done. It's that simple to add text to your Canva design and adjust it to create the perfect look you're going for. Take a moment to review your work. Sometimes stepping back helps you see if everything is aligned and clear, or if any tweaks might be necessary. With these simple steps, you are now equipped to make sure the text in your Canva projects not only conveys your message, but also enhances the overall aesthetic of your design. Enjoy experimenting with different styles and transparencies to see what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!